Hello guys, and welcome to Till Vacuum Do Us Part, and welcome to my realistic daily cleaning routine. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I'm excited you came over to my channel. We're gonna get started straight into today's video, but if you're new here, go ahead and click that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos.
It's like a sunrise warming us up. Been spending all your time lifting me up.
When it comes to my morning cleaning routine, I like to keep it simple, but still very productive, because I know once the day gets started, it's hard to get stuff done. Another tip is I don't make my bed when I first wake up. Now, if I were leaving the house, I'd probably have to do that, but since I do work from home, I wake up, I give myself some time, I get myself ready, and then when I come out of the bathroom from getting dressed, I like to make our bed, and I feel like that sets the tone for the rest of the day. The days I don't make my bed, I want to get back in it, I'm lazy, I'm not productive. There's something about just getting your bed made. It's amazing getting into a made bed at night. If you haven't done this, make your bed for a week and see if you notice a difference of just being motivated, and if you like crawling into a made bed. There's just something different about it. So if it's not your thing, don't do it, but I definitely suggest trying it just for a week and see if you notice a difference in your routine.
All of the plans I've been making seem to be figuring themselves out.
So maybe you're really busy in the morning because you have to get up and get your kids ready and get them off to school. Maybe you can make it once you drop them off, or if you have to head on to work yourself, I suggest just having a very simple bed routine. So maybe you don't have a ton of decor pillows, maybe you don't have extra blankets on there, maybe you just pull the sheets up and throw some pillows on it. Whatever you can do just to kind of make it look put together, it really will help.
Honey, with you, honey, with you.
Once I have our bedroom clean, I like to go into our bathroom. It's never too dirty because I try to put away my makeup as I'm getting ready, but like my curling iron or my straightener or my hairdryer typically is a little warm, so I don't want to put those away immediately. So I wait a few minutes and make sure they're cool, and typically that's right after I make our bed, and then our bedroom's clean, our bathroom's clean. It's just a nice way to start the day. And then after that, I like to head into our laundry room, and there's always a basket full of dirty laundry waiting for me to get it clean. So Savannah's old enough now, she knows when her basket gets full, she brings it to me, and Chase is really good. When ours is full and overflowing, he puts it in there as well, because he knows in the morning I'm gonna head in there. Whoever has their laundry basket in there first, it gets to get clean. So, and if not, then I'll start another load the next day.
Better days with you.
When you're creating your daily cleaning routine, it's going to take a little trial and error to figure out what works for you, but I highly suggest making sure your family is helping you, especially as your kids get older. Just like I mentioned, Savannah knows to bring me her dirty laundry. I take her laundry basket back when I'm finished, and then she's at the age now, she folds all her own laundry. So if there's any way your kids or husband or spouse or partner or whoever it is can help you, definitely tag them in, because you don't have to do all of it yourself.
Better days with you.
Up next is unloading the dishwasher. This is another huge game changer if you do this every morning. So there's just a few things like making the bed, unloading the dishes. There's reasons behind it, is it just gets you motivated. But if you unload your dishwasher in the morning, that means it's empty all day. If you left it full all day, that means your sink is just going to be overflowing by the time it's dinner. You're going to fix dinner and then you're not going to have a place for your dirty dishes. And then when you go to finally load your dishwasher, you're going to fill it up and still have some that you have to hand wash. I can save you from that. Run your dishwasher at night and then unload it first thing in the morning. So that way all day long you can put your dirty dishes straight into the dishwasher and then start it and then repeat the next day. And it really does keep all those dirty dishes out of your sink. Now, you're always going to have some of those that you hand wash. I like to do a lot of our drinks, especially our Stanley cups, because we use them every single day. So I'll just hand wash those real quickly so that they hold up longer and we don't have to wait for them to get clean. Another thing I do every single morning is clean off my countertops. I do this about 3 times a day. I do not like dirty countertops. So I do want to thank Jaws for sponsoring this part of today's video. The first one I'm going to be using is their granite cleaner, but don't let the name fool you. You can use this on quartz countertops. I like it on stainless steel as well. But what's really cool about Jaws, it's just add water system. And so they have these refills. So you're not storing a ton of bottles and plastic. You just buy the refills and then you refill it as needed. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, I don't feel like I've ever shown you guys how to actually fill up these bottles just like live. It's always like clips, so I just wanted to show you real fast. If you're doing a refill, you will have to take out the pod that's already in there and go ahead and rinse this out a few times just so you don't create a ton of bubbles. But if it's a brand new bottle, you won't have to do that. But the first thing you're gonna do is just fill it to the water line. It says fill water to here, super easy to do. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is just grab your new pod and you're gonna just slide it in there. And then once you put in your little sprayer and you start to twist, once it gets to that tight point, it's gonna start clicking a little. And then that's when all the product is released. That's the best part of doing this. And just like that, it's done. So it takes less than a minute. I've just never really shown you real time, and so I wanted you to see that. So by using Jaws, you're actually eliminating the single-use plastic bottles, which is amazing. And I do have a discount code. So say you've never tried them before, or you just need to order your refills, you can use Ashley25 for 25% off. I'm gonna have the link down below in my description box. You're gonna see me use these products throughout the day because I use them in my house every day, and I seriously love them, and I love the company as well. They are amazing, they are generous, they are giving, and it's just a great company to stand behind. So I'm always happy to partner with them. So thanks again to Jaws for sponsoring today's video. I will be talking about them more just as I use them so you can see the products that I use, but I promise you, if you get these, you will not be disappointed. Most mornings I have to wipe down our kitchen table. Chase and Savannah will have breakfast there. Obviously, if they don't have breakfast that day and they skip it, I don't have to, but it is nice just to go ahead and get those crumbs wiped up. In that scene, just in case you're wondering, I am using the Jaws wood cleaner, and I feel like it works really great on painted wood as well. Now, most mornings I do wake up and open the blinds. I will say, as of lately, I haven't been opening them all the way, and I do it a little bit later in the day, like close to afternoon, just because the sun has been so hot here in Oklahoma. It's been over 100 degrees every day for like 2 months with no rain, so we've been trying to keep the house super cool. But once the sun gets to like the top of the house, I feel like I can open it up and it doesn't really heat it up, but that's why I just kind of did halfway. But so you can kind of see like things are staying clean. You'll kind of see what my afternoon routine is here in a second, and then what I do in the evening, so that I don't have a ton to do in the morning.
My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows.
Now let's start the afternoon cleanup. Now this is the time that I probably clean the least because typically we're homeschooling or we're running errands or we're just staying busy. But the one thing I do is switch over to laundry. So I like to start one load in the morning, I switch it over in the afternoon, and then you'll see that I pull it out in the evening. And then typically I have to clean the kitchen again because we've had lunch and snacks. Now this time around it's not that dirty, but there are like cups and plates and just a few things out to clean up.
Feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, we spin around.
I will say when it comes to afternoon cleaning, it's a really as needed cleaning, and I try to find one thing a day that's an extra cleaning. So not something I do every day, maybe just something that needs to be cleaned weekly. Sometimes I do that during my afternoon cleaning if I'm at home and I don't have much work to get done, but sometimes I'll do it before bed, and that's how I did it on this particular day. So your days may look different, but just kind of get a checklist of everything you need done daily, and then have a checklist for weekly and just do one of those once a week so you just don't have a ton to do on weekends or one certain day of the week. I honestly don't feel like I clean all day long either. It's just little bitty spurts. So just a little bit in the morning, a little bit in the afternoon, and a little bit in the evening. And just all those little bits of burst of speed cleaning keeps the house clean, especially if your family is helping you and they kind of have chores and know to clean up after themselves.
As long as you're with me, get rid of all your sorrows. In the summer city, there's no place on earth I would rather be. Summer nights, the days were long.
I truly believe if you'll just develop cleaning habits through your whole day, you don't even realize you're cleaning and you're just maintaining your home. So just by picking up after yourself, it's going to keep your house cleaner. Just by decluttering items you're not using, it's going to keep your house cleaner. Another rule that I really like to follow is the one touch rule. So when I come in from outside or I'm cleaning something up, I put the item away immediately. So if I come in, I put my purse where it belongs, I take off my shoes and put them in my closet. I'm not just leaving them out somewhere where I have to go and pick them up and move them later. So if you'll just pick up whatever you're doing and put it away immediately, then you don't have to spend time just like putting everything back into its home later. And that's something else I like to do is everything has a home. So if I have something sitting out, I know exactly where it belongs. Everything has a space, or you need to get rid of something. If my husband sees something out, he knows where the home is because everything has a home. It really is a game changer and will keep your house clean without having to clean it all the time.
If you wanna come over, the door is open.
I'm gonna go ahead and shut the blinds now. You can see it is nighttime. I think you can tell by my cleaning, it's not an aggressive, extreme cleaning. Now, every once in a while, we all need a really good deep clean, and I have those days too. But I've learned if I will just slowly maintain my house all day long, I never have to do that weekly. Like, I don't have to pull out the shampooer and do all these deep cleanings every single week because a lot of us don't have time for that. But if you're just maintaining your house, then it doesn't get that dirty where you have to clean that aggressively. So just kind of maintain it and your life will seem so much easier and so much calmer.
And I hear those words we made our own.
This next chore I'm about to do is just an as needed. So I don't do this every single night, but it was my weekly chore that needed to get done. So I love to pull out my Jaws multi-purpose cleaner in the evening because its scent is lavender. So it's perfect to clean with at night, especially in any of the bedrooms that you're going to be sleeping in because it just helps relax and calm you, and it's not a strong scent. So I have to be very careful with scents because I get headaches and migraines so easy, and I've had them so much lately. If you follow me over on Instagram, you know that. These scents, you get amazing smells, but they're not overpowering, but I really do love using this product at night. I feel like it's the perfect time to use it. Obviously, you can use it all day long, but if you're going to have to clean your nightstands, you might as well wait and do it in the evening. Get that nice lavender scent. Do this in your kids' bedroom, and then they just have that really nice smell to fall asleep to.
door is open, I play it all back in slow motion.
Say you work outside of the house and you're like, I don't have an afternoon cleaning. You probably don't need that afternoon cleaning. The only reason I'm cleaning at that point is because we've had lunch and different things in the house. But if you'll just wake up a few minutes before you leave for work, extra time, so you can do a little cleaning in the morning and then do some cleaning before bed, it really is going to help you on your house.
Wish I never
If you take anything from today, just remember that your cleaning doesn't have to be stressful, it doesn't have to be fast, it doesn't have to be intense. Your daily cleaning should be really calming and just low-key. You're just kind of maintaining your home. The last thing I do before bed is laundry, so I'm pulling all the clean clothes out. Now, if this was our laundry, I would fold it and put it away, but I love the nights at Savannah's laundry because she puts her own away, so I just wheel it across the house and put it in her bedroom, and she'll do it before bed. And then I start to put the house to sleep, is what I like to say. I like to start turning all the lights down so everybody kind of starts getting tired and all of that. We don't go from like bright daylight bulbs to nighttime. I just, through the evening, I like to close the blinds, maybe turn on some lamps, but turn off the harsh lights, and that's really going to help calm you down in the evening as well.
Wish on every shooting star that you still come back to my heart. Can you see how we've come so far? Hope you still come back to my heart.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this helps you work on your daily cleaning routine. It doesn't have to be anything crazy or intense. Just make it very realistic to your lifestyle and just how your daily routine is. If you guys enjoyed today's video and know someone else that can enjoy it, definitely share it with them. It helps me out. And you can leave it a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to head over to Jaws. I'm going to have their link down below in my description box, and the code is Ashley25 for 25% off. So a big shout out and thanks to them. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.